Souls in the Holy Master. The road won't be easy, and nor has it ever been.
We will be together. We will stay together.
We will rise to the occasion and rule the world.
Have you ever thought about this? If not, look at this picture. Oh, you see? Look at my little video.
Look at the little mouse. Look at the little mouse. Show them what you're eating.
I just finished this bowl. Now I'm waiting.
Yeah, Jasmine on her diet. On her diet.
I'm not on diet.
Okay, she
I'm trying to get
eating.
my ass back.
Ed, блядь. Ej, muss Ed. Ikea. Meatballs. You wanna get my meatballs? This is some Ikea. And this is Swedish meatballs and cinnamon. Swedish meatballs. And this. And this. And the same thing. Ļoti garšīgi. Ļoti garšīgi. Skaties uz savu glāzi.
Es viņam pasaku, ka šī ir mīļākā glāze, un viņš saka pedofili. Viņš izvaro manu alkoholu plēc.
That's Jasmine. She can do whatever she wants.
Exactly, my man.
If she chooses you a victim forever, there's no escape.
I walked the market. Too noisy. Calm down.
I'm taken. This is ļoti bēdīgi. Nun. Hello, baby. How you doing? Hello.
Skatās.
The fuck, where he going? Oh, so beautiful.
On today's National Geographic episode, we are discovering the forest of the Sweden. How are we feeling today?
I'm feeling very like God because I know I'm gonna protect us. Because don't fear, Paulina is here.
Exactly, that's the motto for our goal today. As we move forward, we see there are different parts of this world. There are people in front of us, that's our crew as well. But we are going to take right, we're not going to go left. We are not following the guide today. I feel like being an explorer today. In order to have fun in today's episode, we're going to turn right, not left. Let's go, people. Hopefully we meet them later.
Yeah.
For
They're
now,
not gonna
our
be
paths
alive.
do not cross.
Situācija tāda. Tas ir privātība. Šis ir privātība. Jā, un mēs ienācam. Tikai, bet mums tā sieviete, viņa bija ļoti laipna ar savu sunīti. Viņa atļāva mums te.
Ko tu dirsti? Viņa paņēma suni, lai tas mūs apēs, ja nu kāds, ja mēs būtu nejauki māki.
Tāpēc, ka tu esi mārkus.
Spell red.
Red. L-S-T-E-R.
Hello everybody. It's our last hours in Stockholm, Sweden. Before we go to the airport, we are here. Isn't it? This is some 7-Eleven. Very sweet. Šeit kas tā kā limpo? Tas nav limpo, bet kaut kā citādi kā pepī, kaut kā limonāde. Nē, bija kaut kāda limonādes. Viņa jau domā, ka viņa man testo bija. Tas nav limpo. Zini, bija tas kaut kāda zīlīte vai nē? Walk of shame from the hostel. Pēdējie soļi un drīz jau māksim apakaļ uz lidostu. Ew, ko tu te dari vispār? Tinderi tur.
Es domāju, viņi vienkārši ļoti attīstīti.
Sabiedriskajā transportā. Latvijā
Viņi ir vienkārši ļoti attīstīti.
Latvijā par šito būtu 15 Facebook posti.
Viņi ir mature vienkārši.
Mēs latvieši neesam apparently mature.